set of instructions which tell the target system what to perform once their system is compromised. So assume that there are two systems, right? One is the attacking system and second is the victim system. Now there is a vulnerability in the victim system, so I have exploited the vulnerability, but what next to perform? So that is told by payload that whether to give a Meterpreter session or a reverse TCP connection to the attacking system. So there are three different types of payloads that we use in the Metasploit framework. The very first one is singles, and in singles is a standalone payload which is used to perform small tasks like opening a network connection. Then second is staged. Staged are the payloads which are used to take a reverse shell connection from the target, and then you can deliver large payloads also. And the third one is stagers. Stagers are the payloads which are used by the staged payloads to make sure the connection is still alive and also give the Meterpreter connection to the target system. So these are the types of payloads in Metasploit framework. Thank you.